I've been using Lotus Notes for years because Lotus Notes is a fabulous information management tool. But Lotus Notes, nor did anything out there provide anything but a list management capability. And list management capability you can get with a piece of paper and a pencil, and you can get it with Outlook, you can get it with all kinds of things. So Lotus really, vanilla Notes, did not have any particular jump ahead of anybody else out there relative to the big software players and the big desktop applications in terms of list management. You know, it was basically the plain old task and to-do stuff that there wasn't a whole lot of intelligence built into it. So what eProductivity is an overlay of a whole thought process where you can take it and put it on top of it. And you know, the cool thing about it is they don't disturb any of the natural data store that's inside of Lotus Notes. So you don't have to reconfigure anything. It's not a big technical problem. All it's doing is shaping the view at the end user place that matches the thought process. And so it's like apples and oranges. It's like paper clips and elephants. There's that big a difference between just a plain list manager, which you can find in a zillion places, and eProductivity, which is very specific to the GTD thought process, but it marries very elegantly to Lotus Notes because of some of the power of database management, et cetera, that Notes provides. So it's a great 1-2 punch that you really don't access. There's a lot of power to Lotus Notes that's not being accessed simply because the way the workflow is managed doesn't really map to that very well. And so those two things, I think the eProductivity tool itself is going to way increase both the popularity and the motivation for people to really dig in and explore a lot of other features of Lotus Notes.